What's good, YouTube? ThaCarBoizz back here with another legendary video, man. Today we got a very good video for y'all today, man. I'm back, I'm here, and I'm uploading, man. So before we get into the video, you already know what I'm about to say, man. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to never miss a new video. Because yeah, as you see in that title and thumbnail, we starting on this BBL on the 2nd gen / 7th gen charger, man. So yeah, we gonna get it started today. But like I said, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff planned for y'all today, man. The start of the BBL on the 2nd gen / 7th gen charger, man. So yeah, we're gonna get that started. I got a part in that we're gonna install today, and yeah, I'm gonna try to spread it out for like every 2 weeks on the upload. So like, yeah, that's what I just got planned. Every 2 weeks, I'm gonna try to stick to that. So yeah, every 2 weeks we're gonna get another upload out of me just doing something else to the charger. This one video right here is what we're gonna be doing today, as y'all see from the title and thumbnail. Stick with me, and yeah, we about to get to that. But right now, I'm at the shop, and I don't even think I showed y'all this a lot, but yeah, this is the shop right here. We're at the shop. This is my big dog shop. This is car lot, J-Rock's Customs, man. This is where we do a lot of our car work, stuff like that. So if you need car work, if you need a broker, if you're trying to get a car off the auction, hit us up, man. We'll get you right. But yeah, like I'm saying right now, I'm at the shop. I'm working on this Impala. I had to put the wheel back on and take it down from the jack stand, because we are actually, I ain't gonna have enough time to do it today. The wheel speed sensor needs to be changed out on this, and it's a big job. It's not like something small, so I'm gonna have to hold off on that until Saturday. So yeah, we got another one as well. This is the one I'm gonna take the stuff off of and put it on this one until we can get the new parts put back on this one. Yeah, this one is just ready to go and ready to be sold. That's why we're trying to go ahead. That's why we're taking the parts off this one and swapping them over here to this one. So yeah, man, I see a lot going on, man. And then I got a customer's Challenger right here that I'm doing a front end on because it was wrecked. I'm doing a SRT conversions front end on it. So just waiting to get the new bumper and the passenger headlight and some bumper brackets, and I should be about done with that car. So yeah, that's gonna be out of here pretty soon. And yeah, man, stuff's booming, shop's booming. Yeah, man. So like I said, I'm probably end up heading home here soon, because yeah, like I said, I got something planned for the 2nd gen, man. And yeah, y'all just stay tuned. I'll catch y'all when I get home, man. Oh yeah, I also forgot to update y'all guys, because I haven't been posting. I haven't posted in about almost a year. And I forgot to update you guys that I have been started back buying cars and flipping cars. This is just my daily that I've been driving right now until I get the charger situated. But it is for sale if you want to buy it. I just didn't fix nothing on it. It's just been running and driving. All I did was just put a new headlight in it. That was it. Damage, as what you can see, is right here. It had a broken headlight, and that was it. In the damage that you see right there. And that was it, man. I threw another headlight in it. I've been daily driving it ever since, man. It got, bro, this high mileage. I drove it all the way from Raleigh, North Carolina, all the way back to here in Greenville, South Carolina, and yeah, it made it back perfectly fine. It has 270, well, when I got it, it had 274,000 miles, I believe, on it, and right now we're climbing close to 276,000. So yeah, I done put almost 3K miles on this car since I picked it up from auction, and really haven't had any issues, man. So yeah, like I said, it's about to be sold soon, because I'm low-key need that cash for my goddamn self. So I'm gonna sell it, get me another one, and goddamn keep it rolling, keep it pushing, man. So yeah, we got that, and then yeah, get back to the crib, and we got more content with the 2nd gen. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to the crib, man. All right, y'all, man, so I done finally made it home, man, and I know y'all ain't seen my baby girl in a minute, my panda girl, my baby girl, you feel me? I know y'all ain't seen her in a minute, but she was sitting right here, man. She was sitting right there on jack stands. As you can see, the jack stands are right there. She's been sitting right there since probably like late November of 2025, and I officially moved her from right here, so she's no longer right there. But yeah, man, I'm gonna flip this around in a second, show y'all what she's looking like right now currently. But yeah, today we got a part to install on baby girl today. Finally, we're gonna be installing a new body part on 2nd gen / 7th gen Panda. So yeah, that's what we doing today, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this camera around, show y'all what she's looking like right now, and then I'm gonna pull out the new part that we got. Well, we got parts stacked up, but I'm gonna pull out one new part that we got, and yeah, man, we're gonna get installing it today. So I'll catch y'all in a second. And I know y'all ain't seen it in a minute. Y'all ready? All right. Yeah, man, there she go, man. She still there, man. She still running, she still drive. Niggas think when you got, they ain't park your junk, you went flat, you sold it, the motor blow, this, that, and the third. No, she's still right here. I still got her. So yeah, man, we're gonna be installing a new rear bumper on the it's really the current 7th gen style rear bumper for the 2nd gen Charger. So yeah, we're gonna be installing that today. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go pull that from outside the house and let it sit out in the sun, because you know you gotta unthaw and shit like that. So they fold it up in the box and you gotta let it unthaw. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go grab that from inside, unbox it, and then yeah, man, let it thaw out, and then we're gonna move my car from right here, get it turned around so we can set the tripod up. And yeah, we're gonna get to installing this new bumper to start off the BBL on the 2nd gen Charger, man. So let me go ahead and go get it out the house, and we're gonna start unboxing it, man. All right, y'all, man, so we don't got the box outside. Don't got me some goddamn scissors. Don't trip about the color, man. They gonna do what they got to do, you feel me? They'll still slice you up, dice you up, you feel me? But yeah, man, here go the box. We finna goddamn, I don't know how the heck they stuffed that whole bumper in this little ass box, bro. I don't understand it. But yeah, we about to go ahead and get to unboxing this. So let me go ahead and set up this tripod, and I'm gonna go ahead and get to unboxing this thing, man. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, y'all, so we don't got the bumper out the box, as you can see. So right now I'm just gonna have to let it sit here and sit in the sun so it can, like I said, unthaw. It's as crazy as it sounds, that's basically what it's doing, it's unthawing. So yeah, I'm gonna let it sit here, get soft, unthaw, and then move my car, and then we're gonna end up mocking it up to my car and seeing how it's gonna look, man. I don't have the rear diffuser yet. That's something I still gotta order. I don't have that yet, but it's not nothing that we still can't just throw the bumper on the car. So yeah, let's let this sit here in a thaw, and we're gonna get to installing in about 30 minutes to an hour. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in here in a second. So scratch that. Actually, right now what I'm finna do is go ahead and install these grill vents in the sides right here of each side of the bumper. Go ahead and get these installed, and then I won't have to worry about that. And they also sent me some extra side marker lights, but I'm probably just gonna put these in there just to put them in there, because I'm going BBL, so the side markers are on the wide body kit actually, so I won't even be able to use these. So just stick them in there for the time being, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get some smoked out ones so it'll just blend in with the bumper once I get everything situated. So yeah, it's nice that they sent those for how much this bumper cost. This bumper was basically 700 bucks for this one bumper, man. That shit is insane. And the regular SRT8 standard bumper is like 300 bucks. Why is this 600, 700 bucks? I don't understand it, but hey, it looks good. I ain't complaining too much, man. So let's get to installing these things. Okay, now y'all can see her with the vents in. Oh, hold on, let me get out of the way. As y'all can see, she got both of her vents in, flush. You feel me? So yeah, all I'm waiting on is now move my car over, put it in a different position so I can get to installing this thing, give y'all a little cold start. Well, warm start since it's the afternoon. But yeah, we're gonna get to installing this thing, see how it changes at the rear end on the 2nd gen. So get y'all in a second. All right, y'all, man, I'm getting ready to start to get y'all a little cold start, warm start, because it's in the afternoon. So here we go. Don't mind that little tarp back there. Here, man. Oh my God. Yeah, y'all hear her? She good, she healthy. Now we about to go ahead and move this thing, man. Man, I ain't drove my little baby in a minute, man. Well, I drove it when I moved it, but man, I ain't drove my baby, man. We driving my baby, bro. Yeah, but I'm about to go ahead and move this, park it up, then we're gonna go ahead and start switching this bumper out. So let me go ahead and park it up, man. All right, y'all, so we got the charger all parked up right here, and this is where we gonna goddamn install the bumper. So I'm gonna go ahead and go grab the bumper real quick, bring it over here, mock it up, and then I'm gonna show y'all what we got to do to like secure it onto the car. So yeah, let me go ahead and go grab the bumper. It's already thawed out, so yeah, let me go grab that. All right, y'all, so I got the new bumper over here, so we about to go ahead and mock it up and get to installing this thing. So yeah, let's go ahead and give it a time lapse.
Era.
All right, y'all, so basically it's fully installed, as you guys can see, and ooh, we see looking thick in the back. But basically what you got to do to install it, you got to take out these, that one and that one on each side. There's 3 like 8mm nuts on the back of the headlights. You got to unplug them, pull them out, because it's a bracket that your bumper sits on under each tail light. And then you got mounting to you have brackets right here, bumper brackets right here that holds it in on the side, and then you have 1 10mm that holds it in right here on each side, and then you have your fender liners that's gonna hold it in with tabs. So yeah, it's not really too hard to install it. And then I'm gonna have to attach it down here on the bottom of the inner fender liner as well, so it doesn't pull backwards. So yeah, man, she's fully installed. As y'all can see, I have started body working, getting ready for the BBL, man. The first part is officially installed. Part 1. First part is officially installed, man. Ooh. Oh, man, she look good. I can't lie. Ooh. Man. I really got to go put some gas in it, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it right now or what. But yeah, want to give y'all a drive. Still might, don't know yet. But as y'all can see, I took my front bumper off. Y'all don't know, I took my bumpers off because I sold them. My back bumper was messed up because it flew off in the wind. Got it, still put it on. It was doing good, so that's one reason. And then I sold my front bumper because the tab on this side had broke and it was rubbing against my tire, and it had chewed a piece of the bumper away. So had to get new bumpers, man. So that's all it is to it. That's why, and my headlights are going because I'm doing flow series on the front. So that's another thing. So yeah, man, I think I might still take it for a drive. I don't know yet. Just stay tuned. The video's not over yet. So yeah, man, still got to get me a little thumbnail and stuff like that. But yeah, 2nd gen is back on the street, boy. Can't lie. All right, y'all. So we gonna go on our first little kind of, not really far, but kind of far drive without no bumpers and shit like that because, yeah, man. I don't know what this lady doing right here, but she need to move. Love this bitch, boy. Ain't lie to you. I'm just going up to the gas station, putting a little bit of gas in it, then I gotta grab a couple things out the gas station. That's really about it. And this really the main voyage. I told you it been since this November, so this is my first really far drive with it since it's been sitting. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and put some gas in this thing. When you ride with no bumper, niggas like this stare, ain't it? God damn. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, man. As y'all can see, that's the first part installed for the BBL 2nd gen, man. Next is gonna be that front bumper and something else, man. So just stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit my subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to never miss a new video. And yeah, man, let me know in the comments what y'all think of the basically 7th gen style bumper on the 2nd gen. So yeah, man, just let me know what y'all think. I'm fucking with it. I was kind of skeptical about it at first. I didn't want to buy it at first, but hey, I'm fucking with it, man. I like the vents. It's cool, man. So yeah, next install that diffuser as well, and we're gonna get to it. I'll catch y'all in the next one. My J out. Peace.